Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is part 2 of the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto install on my Mazda MX-5 RF. In this video we'll be fitting the hardware. Let's start by unboxing everything. So we have some trim removal tools, a 10mm socket, cables for the screen and module, foam padding, a wiring guide, and the new CarPlay Android Auto module. This module looks identical to the stock one, but it has a USB port for phone connection. Before we get into it, we just need to disconnect the negative terminal of the car's battery. I used an adjustable spanner and wrapped the terminal in a cloth for safety. Remove the passenger side scuff plate, it clips right off. Take off the plastic trim, remove the rivet first, then unclip the piece. Detach the A-pillar trim. No need to unplug the speaker, just rest it on the dash. Remove the 10mm bolt near the dashboard with the socket tool. Carefully unclip the lower dash trim. Sit in the passenger seat and pull it towards you. Unclip the airbag warning trim from both ends. Unscrew the heated seat switch with a Phillips screwdriver, then unplug it. Unclip and unplug the hazard switch cluster. Loosen the left side of the upper dash trim to access the screen. Remove the side trim from the center console, they just clip off. Remove the center console trim. If you've got a manual like me, unscrew the gear knob, lift off the shifter boot and unplug the controls. If you have an automatic, there's a link in the description for that process. Behind the hazard switch, remove the hidden 10mm bolt. Unclip and remove the old module. If you use Mazda navigation, remove the SD card first. Pull out the screen. Plug in the new cables and route them down. Push the screen back in. Insert the new module into the housing. Feed the cables to the lower area and wrap them with the foam. Reinstall the 10mm bolt near the screen. Slot the center console trim back in and screw the gear knob back on. Clip the side trims back on, starting from the front. Push the left side of the dash back in. Reconnect the hazard switch. Reconnect and screw in the airbag warning light. Reinstall this plastic trim. Reconnect the battery and do a quick test. Insert the SD card and plug in your phone, and just like that, CarPlay is working. I also tested Android Auto with my old phone and it works perfectly. Now let's finish putting everything back together. Refit the lower dash trim, starting with the clips at the bottom. Reinstall the 10mm bolt. Snap the A-pillar back on. Refit the plastic trim and rivet. And finally, clip the scuff plate back in. And that's it. It took a bit of time, but it's totally doable and kind of fun to see how the car comes apart. I'm really happy with the result. CarPlay and Android Auto work great. Navigation and music are so much easier now. If you found this helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more. In my next video, I'll be giving you a more detailed demonstration on how to use CarPlay and Android Auto in your Mazda MX-5 ND. Thanks for watching, See you in the next one.